Hey guys, so today we are making banana bread and I'm going to tell you guys exactly how I make mine. First off, you guys want to see my ingredients and I'm literally just going to put everything in the description box below. So if you want to see how I measured everything, actually if you want to see a proper measurement of this recipe, then check my description box below. Otherwise, just go with the flow, just go with me. I don't have like my measuring stuff, so I was just able to finesse my way around. But basically, these are the essentials. You need your bananas, you need your baking powder, soda, cinnamon, white sugar, melted butter, and your flour and eggs as well. And brown sugar is actually very important in this because brown sugar caramelizes and it gives that very rich color and taste as well. But I couldn't find brown sugar anywhere, so I just went with this. So I'm just basically going to use my fork to mash my bananas until they are like almost mushy. And then I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. So I just added my baking powder, cinnamon, and baking soda to my flour, and then I added my white sugar to my bananas. At this point, you want to add your brown sugar to your bananas as well, and then mix properly. After I'm done mixing, I'm going to mix my melted butter. So going to break my eggs in and then mix properly. My bowl was a little bit too small, so you guys, you want to get a bowl that is manageable, that is okay to mix well. And then I'm just going to carefully mix this bit together, and once that is coming together, I'm going to add I'm going to mix up my dry ingredient first. Just mix properly, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to add my I'm going to add my vanilla extract. So I added this last minute because I couldn't find it, and then I found it eventually. So I just added my vanilla extract, and I'm going to mix that up properly as well, and add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. This is where the fun starts, guys. So you want to start whisking. So at this point, I stopped whisking with my whisk, and I decided to use a flat surface spoon to mix properly as well, because that was what I saw online. They said I should do this, so I just did it. And that's all for the mix. I'm going to oil my pan and also put some flour so like the bread doesn't stick to the pan. I think I put too much, guys, but I'm very generous like that, so let's go with the flow. Okay. I'm just cleaning my environment, because I'm a neat girl like that. You want to be neat. So this chocolate, there were 2 bars, but I cannot use my eyes to see Snickers and not do anything to it. So please forgive me. It wasn't even necessary that I added like chocolate bars, but I was just trying to be extra because I saw online that Auntie Susie added some chocolate chips. So I was like, okay, let's be pushy, but mine. Anyways, let's go. So I mixed that up properly. Sorry you guys, there were like people walking in my background. That's my brother that just walked past, but before then a lot of people were just going up and down because the kitchen was busy. Okay, so back to my batter. So this is properly mixed, and I'm just going to put that in my pan. So I can't remember exactly what this is called, what this foil is called, like some plate foil thing. I can't remember what it's called. Okay, I'm not really a baker, please. I just put my mix in it. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to spread that evenly so that it's nice and flat on my pan. So it's very advisable that you get one that shapes like a bread. You guys ignore my phone, please. I was literally going through my phone to see that I didn't mess this process up. But like, now that I'm done, it's actually pretty much easy to do. But I just need to get my whole ingredients right the next time. So of course, it's banana bread. You just want to slice some banana on it, and before you throw it in the oven. So I'm just slicing up my bananas and trying to make it all nice and, you know, pretty. So now I'm going to throw this in the oven for about, I believe, an hour. You guys, I'm going to put every single detail in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So to make sure your banana bread is ready, you want to put a toothpick through, and if it comes out clear, your bread is ready to go. And this is my banana bread. I'm just sprinkling some icing sugar on the top to make it look pretty, and that's it. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to cut it up so you guys can see. That's the chocolate in the bottom, by the way. Yeah, this tastes so good. Like, no, it tasted so good. Even though I didn't have like a complete ingredient, it tasted so good, guys. So good. Let me cut it all up and show you guys just what we have. Okay, let me just show you guys. Come closer so you can see. Can you see that? It's not exactly moist because my brown sugar wasn't added, but this still tasted good. Can you see? It tasted so good, although it looks like cake, but it tasted good. It tasted so good. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's my banana bread. Okay, I will try another one and come back and show you guys. But that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.